Back on the record in clause number 327038, case is style state of Texas versus Ronald Davis. We have Mr. Davis who's appearing in court, and Mr. Davis' attorney is Mr. Bruce Smith. Mr. Smith is appearing via Zoom.
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Smith and Mr. Davis appeared here earlier. We also have, is that Miss Brenda Mosby, Deputy Brenda Mosby. Ms. Mosby, would you please raise your right hand? Ms. Mosby, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth so help you God? You do? Okay, you may put your hand down. Now, Mr. Smith, Ms. Mosby, I guess, is here appearing to, I guess, explain, give a further explanation regarding this case. Now, let me do this. Mr. Smith, may I ask your client a question?
Absolutely, Judge, whatever you want to do.
Okay, now, Mr. Davis, earlier you appeared in court, you stated that, well, first of all, just state what you, well, first raise your right hand. Now, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Now, could you please explain to the court what happened on Monday when you were scheduled to appear in court?
I came through the double doors. I asked, where do I have to go to? I came through the door.
Hold on a minute. Can y'all hear him?
I can hear, I can hear something, I just can't understand it.
I came throughout the door and I asked, where do I proceed to go? I asked where I can go reschedule because I had another case over here. I was informed that by Ms. Mosby that they would be rectified and notified of the situation that's going on over here. So instead of coming upstairs, I went back to court, across the street for the 9 o'clock drug appointment.
And what happened after that?
We reset it. I informed Mr. Smith that I came over here and acknowledged the fact that I had to be over here with the people here. And then I went home. And then they called me today saying I need to come see you.
Okay, now, Mr. Smith, you have any questions that you would like to ask your client?
Your Honor, I've already stated on the record that when at drug court, my client informed me that I had asked him, had he checked, had he gone over to the county court, your court, and he told me that he had, and that they had sent him over to drug court.
Okay, Ms. Ramos, do you have any questions?
Not for him, no, Your Honor.
Okay, now, Ms. Mosby, you've already been sworn in. Would you please state to the court, now we're talking, the date that we're talking about is April 19th of 2021, which was Monday of this week. I say at or about 9 a.m. in the morning. Did you meet Mr. Ronald Davis? This gentleman here?
Right, when he walked in through the main entrance of the courthouse.
And well, just tell the court what happened.
Well, he inquired about the court, where to go. I think that's what it was. He said that he was supposed to be in your court and also in drug court. And I informed him to go and take care of that first at drug court and go from there. That's all I told him. That you won't be able to take care of your misdemeanor until you take care of that. They're gonna reset it over here and send you over there, or reset it there and send you over here, however. So, but after that, I don't know where he went after that. So I didn't tell him to not come up here.
Yeah,
I told him to go take care of that first.
Okay, so you told him to go take care of that, but you didn't tell him not to come back.
No, I didn't tell him that.
Okay. Ms. Ramos, you have, excuse me, Mr. Smith, you have any questions?
No, Your Honor.
And Ms. Ramos?
Just one, Ms. Mosby, do you think that by when you had the conversation with Mr. Davis that he could have possibly gotten confused about whether or not he needed to come back to Judge Holmes's court?
Possibly he could have.
In other courts, do they sometimes reset the misdemeanor when the felony gets reset?
Yes, it depends.
Okay. I don't have any further questions, Your Honor.
Okay. So, Ms. Ramos, you have any recommendations?
Your Honor, Mr. Smith's gone to a great deal to bring his client in today and to try and show that there might have been some confusion on Monday about him needing to come back. And Mr. Davis has admitted that he did mess up. And in hindsight, he realizes he should have came back to your court. But I'm going to defer to the court on what you would like to do as far as his bond in this case.
Okay.
Your Honor, we're asking the court to, likewise, if there was just a miscommunication and a mix-up. He in no way intended to disrespect this court or not do what he was supposed to do. It was just a,
Yeah.
it was just a confusing matter, miscommunication.
I mean, the court is not concerned about, I mean, the court's ruling is not based on whether or not somebody disrespected the court. I mean, he's not being held in contempt or anything of that nature. But what the court is looking at is what instructions he was given. Obviously, he was given notice to be in county court at law number 2 for 9 a.m. He appeared at the courthouse at or about 9 a.m. and he was informed by one of the deputies at the security checkpoint that, well, he told the deputy that he had to be in court. He had to be in 2 courts, one here, county court at law number 2, and then drug court. And then the deputy at the checkpoint tells him to go to drug court first. Is that correct?
Yes, sir, because I was coming here to inform you that my attorney informed me that we had to be over there first anyway.
Right.
Now, the coming back part, when I explained to my paralegal that you know, I have to go, do we have to go back over here? It was identical. We're just gonna reset. Everything is gonna reset. Just like when we came over here after getting reset, and you resetted us according to their reset. But like I say, sir,
Okay.
it's up to you.
Okay. So basically what he's saying is that when he was sent over there, I don't think he was necessarily given instructions not to come back over here. His instructions was to go over there and handle that business. And then I think it gets a little fuzzy after that. I don't know
That's
what happened with, you know, what was you told about after you completed after you finished over there? What were you told?
That everything would be reset over because.
And who told you that?
Back. His assistant, after I left out, I came
Okay,
back.
so the lawyer's assistant told him
So,
that.
because we was all under the assumption that we were all under the same accord because of what I was delivering.
Okay,
verbally.
so Ms. Mosby didn't tell you not to come back.
No, sir, no, sir.
Okay,
said
she
go
just
take
told
care
you
of
to
that
go
first.
to, okay, drug court.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. I was just clearing that. My main thing was to notify you guys that I had to be there first.
I understand,
And I took care of that, and I guess I fumbled the ball. It all rebounds back to me because I was the one charged with the duty, sir. So,
yeah.
you know, it is what it is.
Okay, I mean, at this point, after hearing what I heard, I mean, the court is not inclined to recall a bond for it. I'll just take it up on the advisement and look at, consider this matter a little further before the court decides exactly what to do.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. And Ms. Mosby, thank you for appearing and shedding some light on this matter. Mr. Smith, you have anything else?
No, Your Honor, just that I want to inform the court that, you know, with our clients, we always tell the clients, and we told Mr. Davis that when there is a combination of a court pending, a case pending in your court and also drug court, that the common practice is for your case to be carried to the same date as the felony, and his felony, we took care of his felony in drug court on that day, and we're scheduled to come back on like in 30 to 45 days to drug court. And so that's where the confusion comes in, because we were telling him that,
But our normal practice is that when a person has a felony and a misdemeanor, they appear here, they go take care of the felony, then they reappear here, and then the case is reset. Okay, that's the normal practice. It's not like it's a, once you get it reset there, you can leave, and then we just automatically reset. It doesn't, we don't handle the case like that.
Yeah.
Okay,
yeah, I understand, Judge. It was just a miscommunication.
okay,
And it was nothing intentional.
okay, yeah, okay, I understand that. Now, Ms. Ramos, you have anything else to add?
No, Your Honor. Again, I think Mr. Smith stated it the best, that it was a miscommunication, and I think there was a lot of confusion on this, but we'll defer to the court.
Okay, we'll take it up on the advisement. Okay. All right, this will conclude this hearing.
Thank you, Your Honor.